Hello, welcome to Learn English with Tangmation. Today we'll talk about 12 funny English sayings and idioms, part 2. We are sure they will make you laugh, so stay tuned. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos. Okay, so let's go. Number 1. Sweet as a nut. It means very good, extremely good, or great. For example,
Hey, how are you today? Ah, I'm sweet as a nut.
Number 2. Pull your socks up. It means to improve the quality of someone's work and performance. For example,
If you want to keep your job, you will need to pull your socks up.
Number 3. Whatever floats your boat. It means the same as whatever makes you happy and brings you joy and whatever you like. For example,
Hey, do you want to go to the cinema or to a pub? I don't mind. Whatever floats your boat.
Number 4. The tail wagging the dog. It describes the situation where a small or less important person or a thing is becoming too important and is controlling everything or everyone around them. For example,
Ah, he just joined us and he's already behaving like a boss. I know, he is even telling the boss what to do. Well, it's a case of the tail wagging the dog.
Number 5. No skin off my nose. Someone may say this when they know someone else's action will not affect them. They aren't worried. For example,
I think you shouldn't go on the date with him again. I appreciate your advice, but I'm still going to go. Fine, I guess. It's no skin off my nose.
Number 6. Butter someone up. Used when you want to please someone so they do something for you. For example,
I don't understand why he got that promotion last week. Don't you know? He is great at buttering up the boss.
Number 7. Sharp as a tack. We use it to say that someone is bright. For example,
How did she resolve it this quick? She's sharp as a tack. Yeah, a true genius.
Number 8. Telling porkies. It means to lie. For example, he promised that we won't have another test for a month.
Oh yeah, he's clearly been telling porkies.
Number 9. Blue in the face. We use it to describe someone being exhausted from anger. For example, you can argue with me until you blue in the face, but I'm not going to do this. Number 10. Quit cold turkey. This is more common in the US, but it is so funny it had to go on the list. It means to quit something abruptly, immediately, without phasing it out. Usually refers to something that we were addicted to. For example,
These TikToks take too much of my time. Well, just delete the app.
Oh, I don't know. I can't quit this cold turkey. I'm so addicted. Number 11. As thick as thieves. It describes close friends who know each other's secrets. For example,
George and John are closer than brothers. They are as thick as thieves.
Number 12. Dead as a doornail. It means that something is simply not alive. For example,
I forgot to water my plants for 2 weeks, and now they are dead as a doornail.
Okay, here it is. 12 funny English sayings and idioms, part 2. So, which one did you like the best? Let us know in the comments. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. So, until the next time.